Luvaliwe uphiko lwenyuvesi yaseNorth oluseMahikeng kanye noluseVanderbijpark. Lokhu kuza emva kwesiphakamiso seSouth African University Student Union sokuthi zivalwe zonke izikhungo zemfundo ephakeme izinsuku eziyisikhombisa kumiswe nokubhalisa abafundi. Abafundi bafuna ukuthi kwesulwe izikweletu zabo ezindala bese kuthi abafundi abangenayo imali yokufunda babhalise mahala.
Sekumiswe yonke into lapha ukuvikela abafundi abafana noThando Dlamini oneminyaka engu-19 waseMbombela eMpumalanga.
I was told that I must pay 10,000 rand up front for me to register. It's absolutely a problem, difficulty. I can't claim my rest. I can't go and book in accredited accommodations.
Labafundi sebecuphile nje kulesikhungo njengoba bengenayo imali yokubhalisa.
Students who are having outstanding balance are not allowed or given opportunity to register. The university is saying you must settle some certain amount, therefore you must come back again and pay again for registration.
By having private accommodations, those private accommodations, they are not being paid by NSFAS. NSFAS have resolved that there will be no lease for this year. So our students, most of them have been dropping out because of they can't afford their private accommodation.
Umkhandlu omele abafundi uthi kuzomiswa yonke into lapha baze bathole lokho abakufunayo. Kusenjalo abaphathi bale nyuvesi sebetshele izisebenzi zesikhungo ukuthi zingeze emsebenzini kuze kwehle igwebu kubafundi. Lesikhungo kulindeleke ukuthi sivalwe isonto lonke.